foremost, I would like to thank you
Daw bibigyan niya. Pambayan niya lang tubig kuryente. Okay lang yun.
Really means so much to me.
No, naiyak ako sa...
So the most
Ba't nyo kasi i-edit?
it really means so much to me to have you celebrating my name. I would also like to express my love and thanks for my parents who showed me unconditional love and support. Also, my friends and relatives for being a consistent source of support and encouragement. And I really appreciate that now that I celebrate birthday now with my presence of my father. Madalas kami lang celebrating my birthday. I'm really happy na nandito ako pala my birthday. Since kapag pinagawa namin, siya pagka-birthday namin ni ate, dati, this present sa birthday namin. Tapos meron yung signal, kasi nasa-good lang si Papa pagka-birthday namin. Kaya happy naman ako kung Papa yung birthday namin. It's special for me.
Okay, gagawin lang pala naman natin. Kaya pala sobrang espesyal ng araw na ito para kay Alyssa. Salamat din, Alyssa. Ayun, sige, okay lang. Huwag kayong matakot umiyak. Parte ng buhay yan. So,